Installing BASIC-256. Perform the following steps to install the BASIC-256. Step 1. Open the web browser and visit the following link to download BASIC-256. https://sourceforge.net/projects/kidbasic/. Step 2. Click on the download button. A setup will be downloaded. Step 3. Double-click on the downloaded file. The installation will begin. Opening BASIC-256. Follow these steps to open BASIC-256. Step 1. Click on the Start button. The Start menu appears. Step 2. Click on All Programs, BASIC-256, BASIC-256. The BASIC-256 window will appear. BASIC-256 Environment. BASIC-256 provides you a simple yet powerful development environment. Let's learn about the BASIC-256 environment. Title bar. It gives us the information about the program in which we are working. Editor. It is identified as the area where we write our BASIC-256 programs. When we open a saved program, it will show up in this editor. We can then modify it and save it for later use. Toolbar. It is used to give commands. It contains commands like new, open, save, cut, copy, paste, and run. We can use these commands by clicking on the command buttons. Text output area. When we write a program in the editor and run a program, the output appears in this area. Graphics output area. This is an area where graphical elements like shapes and pictures that you create are displayed. Creating your BASIC-256 program. A normal BASIC-256 program is made up of statements. Each line of the program represents a statement, and each statement is a command for the computer. When we give the command to BASIC-256 to execute a program, it reads the first statement. It understands what we are trying to say and then executes our instructions. After executing our first statement, it returns to the program and executes the next line. The process continues till it reaches the end of the program. Follow these steps to create a program in BASIC-256. Step 1. Click in the editor window. Step 2. At line number 1, type the following statement. Print, "Hello world." Saving a program. After writing a program, we must save it to change or run it later. Follow these steps to save a BASIC-256 program. Step 1. Click on the Save As command button from the toolbar. The Save As dialog box opens. Step 2. Browse to the desired location to save the file. Step 3. Type the name of the file in the name box. Step 4. Click on the Save button. The file will be saved by the given name at the selected location. The extension of BASIC-256 files is .kbs. The path of the saved file appears at the top of the editor in place of untitled. Running a program. Let us now run our program. Follow these steps to run a BASIC-256 program. Step 1. Open the BASIC-256 program which you want to run. Step 2. Click on the Run command button from the toolbar. The program executes and the output is displayed in the text output area. Opening a program. Follow these steps to open a BASIC 256 program. Step 1. Click on the Open Command button in the toolbar. The Open a File dialog box appears. Step 2. Browse to the location of your saved program. Step 3. Select the program you want to open. Step 4. Click on Open button. The program will open. Elements of BASIC 256 programming. We will now learn about the basic elements of the BASIC 256 programming language. Variables. A variable is used to store different kinds of information, such as text or a number, in the computer's memory. When we store a value or information in a variable, it overrides the previous information stored in it. It can contain different values at different points in time. To create variables in BASIC 256, we use the assignment operator. Following are the examples of defining variables. Number is equal to 5. Fruit is equal to, within inverted commas, apple. Marks is equal to 50.5. Types of variables. Numeric variable. Numeric variables are used to store numbers for calculations. They can hold integer and decimal numbers. The numeric variables that hold integers are called integer variables. The numeric variables that hold decimal numbers are called floating variables. For example, 22, minus 34 and 9.25. String variable. Strings are a set of characters that can be a mixture of numbers, letters, and other characters. For example, Hello World, 123 Random Road, ABCDE, 88 Golf Course Road, and 12345 8976. Rules for naming variables. The names we give to the variable are called identifiers. Variable name can include letters, lowercase and uppercase, digits, 0 to 9, and underscore character. To name the variables, follow the following rules. Variable name should always start with a letter or underscore. Variable name can only use letters, digits, underscore, and dollar. Name of the variables should describe the values that they store. String variable name should contain dollar symbol at the end of the name. For example, name dollar and address dollar. Variable names are case sensitive. That is, name and name are two different variables. Program 1. To use the numeric variables. Program 2. To concatenate two or more string variables. Operators. Operators are special symbols in BASIC 256 that carry out arithmetic or logical computation. The value on which the operator is operating is called the operand. BASIC 256 divides the operators in the following categories. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations between two operands. The arithmetic operators are defined in the following table. Operator, name, description. Example, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. Output. Plus, addition, adds values on both sides of the operator. X plus y, 6. Minus, subtraction, subtracts right-hand operand from left-hand operand. X minus y, 2. Star, multiplication, multiplies values on either side of operator. X star y, 8. Slash, division, divides left-hand operand by right-hand operand. X/y. 2. Supersect. Exponential. Performs exponential power calculations on operands. X exponential y. 16. Program 3. To use the arithmetic operators. Logical operators. Logical operators are used primarily in the expression evaluation to make a decision. BASIC 256 supports the following logical operators: operator, name, description, example x is equal to 3, output, and it returns true if both operands are true. Within brackets, x is less than 5 and within brackets, x is less than 10. True. Or it returns true if one of the operands is true. Within brackets, x is less than 5 or within brackets, x is less than 2. True. Not reverses the logical state of its operand. Not x. True. XOR performs a logical exclusion on two expressions. X XOR Y. True. Program 4. To use the logical operators. Relational operators. Relational operators are used to compare the values of two operands and returns Boolean true or false accordingly. The comparison operators are described in the following table. Operator, name, description, example, x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6. Output is equal to, equal. It checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. If yes, then the condition becomes true. X is equal to y. False. Less than, greater than, not equal. It checks if the values of two operands are equal or not. If the values are not equal, the condition will become true. X not equal y, true. Greater than, it checks if the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. X is greater than y, true. Less than, it checks if the value of left operand is less than the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. X is less than y. False. Greater than, equal to. Greater than or equal to. It checks if the value of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. X greater than, equal to y. True. Less than, equal to. Less than or equal to. It checks if the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then the condition becomes true. X less than, equal to y. False. Program 5. To use the relational operators. Keywords. Keywords are the reserved words which cannot be used as a variable. They are predefined by the software developer for a specific purpose. Some of the keywords are as follows: print, CLS, next, while, for, else, end, input. Comments. In BASIC 256, comments are used to explain the program code. Comments help and enable us to understand the way a program works. In BASIC 256, comments start with hash symbol. During the execution of the program, BASIC-256 ignores the line that starts with hash symbol. The BASIC-256 editor shows all comments in green color, so you can easily tell them apart from the lines of actual code. For example, statements. Every line of a program is a statement, and every statement is an instruction for the computer. Let's discuss some of the statements of BASIC-256. Print statement. BASIC-256 uses the print statement to display the output in the text output area. The syntax of the print statement is as follows. Print, within inverted commas, text to be printed. For example, print, within inverted commas, welcome to Orange Education. Preceding statement prints the welcome to Orange Education message in the text output area. You can use the semicolon with the print statement to show the output in the same line. For example, print, within inverted commas, your age is colon, semicolon. Print 15. The preceding statements prints, within inverted commas, your age is colon 15. Rem statement. As you know that the hash symbol is used to write comments in BASIC-256 programs. You can also use the rem statement instead of the hash symbol to write comments. For example, rem, within inverted commas, comment. End statement. The end statement is used to specify the end point of the program. Statements written after the end will not be executed by BASIC-256. For example, print welcome, end, print touchpad. Above statement will print only welcome. Input statement. The input statement is used to take the value from the user at runtime. For example, input name $, print name $. When you execute the preceding statements, you need to enter the name in the text output area. After entering the name, when you press the enter key, the entered name will be printed. We can also use message with the input statement. For example, input enter first number, comma, num1.